You go to file, you go to new, you go to family, you create another profile. So we'll find our profile, you go to profile, you click to profile. So you go to manage, let the project unit be in millimeter. Let's check the length. We set it to millimeter. So okay. Then we start sketching. We go to line. So I start sketching. The width of my curve should be 75. Press enter. Then the width, then the height should be 200. You press enter. And you press it. You go here. You go like this. Okay, 4 by 3. 4 by 3. Or that's not 4 by 3. Or 4 by 3. I'm going to be a for. I've gotten it. Then you click here. You go here. Family 1. Let's click reset. And let's see what it has given us. You can also save this anyway. Let's see what it has given us. We go to our, you can see our curve. You can see our curve. If we want to change it to black and white curve, you can go to here, go to this place, go here, go here, you click here, desktop. Let's take this first and see. You go with this and we say apply, and we say go. You say apply, and we see how it goes.